Let's get your news in detail in the latest of a series of news breaks by Times Now. Your channel exposes Rajasthan Chief Minister Vasundhara Raje's link to IPL scam accused Lalit Modi. Forced to repair the damage wrought by the stunning revelation about him, ED accused Lalit Modi sends media channels a 250-page document only to reveal that Vasundhara Raje endorsed his plea for continuance of stay in the UK. Raje, however, when confronted by a reporter, feigned ignorance.
On Sunday, Times Now broke the Sushma propriety tangle.
Helping Lalit Modi behind the scenes. She cannot run away from the revelations on Times Now.
And within 48 hours, a double whammy for the BJP, as its chief minister is exposed.
Tonight, Times Now is the only Indian channel with all the documents bringing you a story that is much bigger than ever before.
A public relations company engaged by Mr. Lalit Modi sent mails to various media organizations. A 250-page document was released to the press. Page 32 of the documents is a letter on the letterhead of Gerson and Company, immigration solicitors engaged by Lalit Modi in the UK. It is a letter where Lalit Modi makes a plea for his continuance of stay in the UK. Amongst the documentation with the plea is an endorsement by Ms. Vasundhara Raje to allow Lalit Modi to plead for continuance of stay in the UK. Times Now would like to make it absolutely clear that these are documents released by Lalit Modi's legal and media relations team in Mumbai, which is why the responsibility for their authenticity rests with Mr. Modi's legal team. Which is why Times Now specifically contacted Mr. Abdi, who did not deny the Vasundhara angle despite repeated references by us to the same.
I have a paper from Gerson, the law company, which says that you and Vasundhara Raje and Mr. Robert Nichols were providing supporting statements to the application for leave to remain in the UK for Lalit Modi.
Mr. Abdi was unwilling to part with the complete details in the first conversation with Times Now's crew. Your channel called him once again a few minutes later.
I would like to tell you that this witness statement of Vasundhara Raje mentions in point number 1 that she makes this statement in support of any immigration application that Lalit Modi makes, but do so on the strict condition that her assistance will not become known to the Indian authorities. Why was there this element of confidentiality?
Arunam, I have not seen her statement, so I can't comment. I am not the proper person to comment.
Raje blocked Times Now's attempts to question her, denying permission to our reporters.
Cops are still not allowing us to stand here.
Well, what we can tell you is that initially when we tried to call up her office, there was no response. We messaged her office also a number of times. We tried to call up Vasundhara Raje directly. All our calls were disconnected.
But when cornered, Vasundhara seemed totally shaken and feigned total ignorance.
मैडम एक इशू आया है जिसमें आपका भी नाम इन्होंने ड्रैग किया है आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे मैडम?
Of course I know the family. I've always known. I have never made any bones about that. But I don't know what documents you people are talking about.
But the opposition is raising the pitch.
राजस्थान उसको कभी भूल नहीं सकता जिस रूप में करप्शन की हदें पार हो गई थी, तो ये तमाम वसुंधरा जी और ललित मोदी जी और पूरा खेमा एक ही था, कोई इसमें कोई दूरा हो ही नहीं सकती है.
Their foreign minister facing conflict of charges and now their chief minister caught on the back foot. Can the BJP continue to defend them? Bureau Report, Times Now.